Do you guys remember this scene from the 1988 hit movie Beetlejuice? That's one of my all-time favorite movies, and this is one of my all-time favorite parts. I always wanted to have a Beetlejuice-inspired dinner party, but first I had to set the scene. I grabbed some old cardboard and created an organic shape along my dinner table. Then, I grabbed some bread lights and some spray foam, and I got to work. I laid everything out, and then I started spray foaming right on top of the red lights. And then I added in my bone. It was looking pretty ugly at first, but I had to trust the process. I grabbed some black and brown spray paints and my handy dandy spray painting nozzle, and then I just spray painted random splotches of black and brown all over to make sure that I covered the foam. And honestly guys, that was that. After it dried, I brought the whole thing inside and it was time to set my table, honey. A few vintage candelabras, some beautiful place settings, and even some spooky little things like spiders and spider webs really set the whole thing off. I will say that it's important to use a battery-operated candle instead of the real thing, but I actually think that that's much more sustainable and easy anyhow. I am absolutely obsessed with how this turned out, and I cannot wait to have some folks over. What do you guys think? Are you impressed? Let me know in the comments.